Do you want to witness the wildest corners of the USA? Today, we're revealing the 30 most fascinating places to see wildlife. From hidden ecosystems to surprising animal encounters, we guarantee you'll be amazed. Make sure to subscribe to The Whistling Oak and visit thewhistlingoak.com for more insider wildlife tips. Let's dive into some of the most unexpected animal encounters across the country. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Surprising fact: Yellowstone is home to the only wild bison herd that's never been captured or domesticated. They roam as they have for thousands of years. In addition to bison, you'll spot wolves, elk, and even grizzly bears. Visit in the fall for epic wildlife spectacles like elk bugling. Everglades National Park, Florida. Surprising fact: Everglades is the only place on Earth where alligators and crocodiles coexist. A true predator's dreamland with stunning wetlands. It's also home to rare species like the Florida panther and manatees. Explore by boat for up-close encounters with these amazing creatures. Denali National Park, Alaska. Surprising fact: did you know Denali has some of the best spots to witness bears fishing for salmon in the wild? Nature at its rawest. Moose, wolves, and caribou also call Denali home. Visit during Alaska's endless summer days for non-stop wildlife action. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Tennessee, North Carolina. Surprising fact: with over 1,500 black bears, you're more likely to spot a bear here than anywhere else in the eastern U.S. The Smokies are also home to hundreds of bird species. Autumn is perfect for wildlife enthusiasts seeking the park's rich biodiversity. Olympic National Park, Washington. Surprising fact: Olympic is one of the few places in the U.S. where you can find Roosevelt elk thriving in their natural habitat. The park's unique ecosystems, coastline, rainforest, and mountains host black bears, mountain lions, and even sea otters along the coast. Glacier National Park, Montana. Surprising fact: Glacier has one of the largest grizzly bear populations in the contiguous U.S. Here, every trail can lead to a bear sighting. Bighorn sheep and mountain goats are also plentiful. Visit during fall to watch these animals roam freely amidst breathtaking scenery. Channel Islands National Park, California. Surprising fact: Channel Islands is called the Galapagos of North America because 95% of its wildlife species are found nowhere else. Explore this marine paradise by boat to see sea lions, seals, dolphins, and whales. It's an oceanic wildlife haven unlike any other. Custer State Park, South Dakota. Surprising fact: Custer boasts one of the largest free-roaming bison herds in the world, with 1,300 bison roaming wild across the plains. Pronghorn antelope, elk, and prairie dogs also thrive here. Don't miss the annual Buffalo Roundup, a unique wildlife spectacle. Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge, North Carolina. Surprising fact: the critically endangered red wolf only exists in the wild at Alligator River. Spotting one is a once-in-a-lifetime encounter. Canoe tours let you glide through the waters alongside alligators and turtles. This park is a hidden gem for adventurous wildlife lovers. Assateague Island National Seashore, Maryland, Virginia. Surprising fact: Assateague's wild horses are thought to be descendants of Spanish shipwrecks from centuries ago. A true historical mystery. Watch these feral horses roam the beaches freely. Spring is especially magical during fall birthing season, a sight you'll never forget. Katmai National Park, Alaska. Surprising fact: Katmai is the world's best spot to witness brown bears catching salmon at Brooks Falls, an epic wildlife showdown. This remote park is accessible only by plane or boat. It's a bucket list destination for wildlife lovers seeking true wilderness. Rocky Mountain National Park, Colorado. Surprising fact: Rocky Mountain National Park boasts over 2,000 elk. In the fall, their haunting bugles echo throughout the valleys. Spot bighorn sheep scaling rocky cliffs and mule deer grazing in the meadows. Every season offers incredible wildlife encounters. Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge, New Mexico. Surprising fact: each winter, tens of thousands of sandhill cranes and snow geese fill the sky in a spectacular migration at Bosque del Apache. Come for the annual Festival of the Cranes to witness this awe-inspiring sight. It's a birdwatcher's dream come true. Theodore Roosevelt National Park, North Dakota. Surprising fact: wild horses still roam Theodore Roosevelt's Badlands, offering a glimpse of the wild American West as it once was. Bison and prairie dogs add to the scene. This park offers a true taste of untamed wilderness perfect for wildlife enthusiasts. Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge, Georgia, Florida. Surprising fact: Okefenokee is one of the few places where you can paddle through a swamp filled with alligators in the wild. The refuge is home to turtles, frogs, and countless bird species. It's an adventure-filled destination for those seeking untouched nature. Point Reyes National Seashore, California. Surprising fact: Point Reyes is the best place to see elephant seals in their natural habitat. Watch these massive creatures battle on the beaches. In addition to seals, you can see tule elk, gray whales, and diverse bird species. Visit during migration season for breathtaking encounters. Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. Surprising fact: Grand Teton is home to one of the densest moose populations in the U.S., making it a must-see for wildlife lovers. Alongside moose, you'll find bison and beavers thriving here. Fall is perfect for spotting large herds against the stunning mountain backdrop. Zion National Park, Utah. Surprising fact: mountain lions roam Zion's rugged cliffs, adding a thrilling layer of mystery to this famous Red Rock Park. In addition to mule deer, Zion is home to golden eagles and wild turkeys. The park offers a wildlife experience as striking as its landscapes. Acadia National Park, Maine. Surprising fact: Acadia's coastlines are the perfect place to spot harbor seals lounging on the rocks or playing in the ocean waves. Bald eagles and peregrine falcons are often seen soaring above. This northeastern park offers incredible wildlife with ocean views. Shenandoah National Park, Virginia. Surprising fact: Shenandoah's lush forests are home to one of the largest black bear populations in the eastern U.S. You might see one up close. White-tailed deer and wild turkeys also thrive here. Every hike through this park is filled with rich wildlife sightings. Redwood National and State Parks, California. Surprising fact: Redwood's massive trees are also home to Roosevelt elk, adding another layer of awe to these ancient forests. Along the coast, watch for Stella's sea lions basking in the sun. It's a rare chance to see giant wildlife on land and sea. Anza Borrego Desert State Park, California. Surprising fact: in spring, desert bighorn sheep can be seen leaping across the rugged terrain of Anza Borrego, a rare and stunning sight. The desert blooms with wildflowers in spring, attracting butterflies and birds. This is desert wildlife at its most vibrant. Wrangell St. Elias National Park, Alaska. Surprising fact: Wrangell St. Elias is the largest national park in the U.S., offering endless wilderness where grizzlies, moose, and caribou roam freely. This remote park offers the ultimate wildlife adventure, with untouched landscapes, perfect for exploring and spotting elusive creatures. Blue Ridge Parkway, North Carolina, Virginia. Surprising fact: driving along the Blue Ridge Parkway is one of the best ways to see black bears and wild turkeys in their natural habitat. This scenic road winds through breathtaking landscapes, offering wildlife sightings without even needing to hike. A relaxing yet wild experience. Arches National Park, Utah. Surprising fact: Arches is famous for its rock formations, but bighorn sheep steal the show, leaping with grace across the cliffs. Golden eagles are often seen soaring above. This is desert wildlife at its most dramatic, set against iconic red rocks. Santa Ana National Wildlife Refuge, Texas. Surprising fact: Santa Ana boasts over 400 bird species, including the vibrant green jay, a must-see for birdwatchers seeking rare sights. This wildlife refuge also hosts a variety of butterflies, adding to the colorful display of nature. A paradise for nature lovers. Mount Rainier National Park, Washington. Surprising fact: marmots and mountain goats thrive in the alpine landscapes of Mount Rainier. Their playful antics make for great wildlife watching. Elk herds roam the park's lower regions, while peregrine falcons patrol the skies. It's a top destination for wildlife photographers. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, Michigan. Surprising fact: on Michigan's Lake Superior coast, you'll find black bears and bald eagles against the stunning backdrop of the lakeshore cliffs. Keep an eye on the water for playful otters. This lakeshore combines wildlife with water for a truly unique experience. Sequoia National Park, California. Surprising fact, Sequoia's giant trees aren't its only giants. Mule deer and Sierra Nevada bighorn sheep also roam this breathtaking park. Bobcats and mountain lions also thrive here, making every hike an adventure. Be ready for unexpected wildlife encounters. Voyageurs National Park, Minnesota. Surprising fact, in Voyageurs, you'll paddle through lakes while spotting beavers, bald eagles, and even otters playing in the water. This water-based park offers a truly unique wildlife experience. Get ready for an unforgettable wildlife adventure on the water. There you have it, 30 incredible places to experience wildlife in the USA. From bears to bison and everything in between, each destination offers unforgettable encounters. Subscribe to The Whistling Oak for more wildlife content and visit thewhistlingoak.com for more tips and travel guides.